My name is Donald Smith. I'm the Global Sponsorship Manager at Castrol. My role is to manage the sponsorship relationship with HRC and also to work with our respective markets and businesses to drive value for Castrol. MotoGP is the pinnacle of motorcycle racing. We are involved in a number of different activities with motorcycle racing, but MotoGP is the top echelon where the showcase of our technology is really important, and it's a great platform to engage with the fans. What makes the partnership between Castrol and Honda special is our great heritage and history of racing together. From way back into the early days of the first TT races in late 50s, Castrol and Honda together have over 500 international victories in motorcycle racing, and we look to continue that moving forward in this great partnership. It's been an amazing season in 2025, starting the season with the Castrol Honda back on the grid. We've seen the improvement of the team over that time, great collaboration of the two organizations working together, and we've done some great activations together as well. Big numbers of customers at races, strong activations with fans, and also the performance of the bike has improved, as we've all seen. So we've been really pleased and proud of our collaboration and how that's been delivered in 2025.
Hi, I'm Chris Lockett and I'm the CTO for Castrol. So I lead the research and product development teams for all of Castrol, and that can be products for cars, bikes, trucks, ships, data centers, EV vehicles, and even spacecraft. And we also work really closely with the Honda HRC teams. So we have a motorsport team that develops products day by day with Honda HRC to ensure that we can keep winning. At Castrol, we've got a really long history of working in motorsport, and it's a great opportunity for us to work at the cutting edge of performance. So we're putting into our fluids into the most advanced bikes in the world, and that really allows us to learn a lot. And we have a race to road strategy where many of the innovations and much of the technology that we put into MotoGP eventually finds its way to the products that we sell to our customers all around the world. We also learn a lot because the development cycle in MotoGP is so fast, so we apply a lot of those lessons learned to our day-to-day R&D activities as well. The best way of doing that is face-to-face, so our teams have been in Japan co-engineering with the Honda HRC team to work together to develop the best options for the bike. Going to Motegi and being at the race, so I spent time in the garage talking with the team. Yeah, I mean, that was a massive highlight for me this year, and the team have done a really fabulous job through 2025. So it's actually to be there, trackside, celebrating with the team was amazing, and honestly, probably a career highlight for me, and hopefully the first of many more to come. The Castrol team have actually delivered 2 lubricant upgrades and 2 fuel upgrades during the course of the season. And by working that co-engineering way, the team has delivered significant power increase over the course of this season. Over 30% of that increase came from the lubricants and the fuels that the Castrol team delivered and developed with the Honda HRC team. That's just a super recognition of the improvement that's been achieved during the course of the season. So we want to keep winning, we want to keep getting podium finishes, and ultimately we want to be challenging for titles. We are developing new fuels, we're developing new fluids for the 2026 season so that we can keep ahead of the competition and keep winning. You know, Castrol, we are the biggest supplier of bike lubricants in the world, and Honda is the biggest manufacturer of bikes in the world. It's a fabulous partnership and one that we're really, really proud of. So Isho ni Gambali Masho, let's win together.
My name is Chris Turner. I'm the team lead for the Castrol Motorsport Technology team based here in Pangbourne. My role in the MotoGP project is to lead the technical delivery and deployment of bespoke products for the Honda HRC MotoGP team to maximize the performance of their motorcycle. That includes strategic planning, long-term planning of what we need to do in the future, but also making sure that we are delivering immediate performance gains as much as we can through lubricants and fuels, and also the logistics and operations of making sure these products get to where they need to go across the year. Castrol has a long-standing history of working in top-tier motorsport. We choose to race in MotoGP because it is the pinnacle of motorcycle engineering. For us, that allows us to demonstrate our technical capabilities to partners like Honda HRC, but it also allows us to learn about new technologies and test our technologies in some of the toughest conditions that a motorcycle will ever see. We can take those learnings and put them into our commercial products so that all of Castrol motorcycle customers can gain the best benefits that we've learned from MotoGP in their bikes. Once we achieve that, we can then work together and co-engineer solutions that push the boundaries of what is currently possible and bring step changes into the future. I think we've done a really strong job at doing that, and the relationship between Castrol and HRC Honda just continues to get stronger and stronger. The technical journey so far has been remarkable. It was really clear to me and my team how passionate and how focused Honda HRC were for bringing more performance to their bike during 2025. And so we picked up on that energy and we worked really, really closely with the Japanese engineers to make sure that we were bringing performance as soon as we possibly could. In fact, it took less than 6 months from our very first technical conversation before we had upgrades of fuel and lubricants for the Honda HRC bike that brought them performance. So designing products for MotoGP presents technical challenges on a daily basis. The first challenge I'll talk about is building that relationship. To build a strong relationship, you need time, you need effort, and you need trust. We didn't have time, so we had to maximize the effort and the trust between the two organizations to make sure that we were working together as collaboratively as possible and to co-engineer the best solutions for the motorcycle. The next one, I would say, is perhaps logistics. Castrol are based in the UK. Honda HRC are in Japan. We're a whole world apart, and we have to make sure that our products are making it to Honda HRC in a safe, compliant, and on time for the really tight timelines that we have for our development program to bring the performance for Honda HRC. We then aligned our development activities with what Honda HRC were doing to bring upgrades in performance to the circuit. Our goal for 2026 is to build on the strong foundations that we've created during 2025. We intend to bring more performance upgrades for during the 2026 season, but further than that, we are looking forward to 2027. There's big regulation changes coming in 2027. We're already focused on looking at what new technologies we can bring from lubricant and fuel to make sure that we're bringing the best performance for Honda HRC in 2027 as well. The best is yet to come.